This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Curfew has been promulgated in Shillong agglomeration and its adjoining areas with effect from 6 a.m. today up to 6 a.m. of the 3rd of April 2020 as a preemptive measure against spread of COVID-19. The areas to be under curfew are whole of municipal area, cantonment area, all areas under Maulai and Mopat blocks, areas under Millim block from Umshirpi Bridge up to 7th mile, Upper Shillong, Madan Raiting, Mobley, Lightcore, Nongseg, Umlinka, Losutun, Modiangdiang, Daingyong, Seijiong. However, fair price shops and identified local retailers including groceries and essential shops, vegetables, fruits, meat and confectionery shops will remain open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. today, including in the villages in the district. The East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner has requested the public to strictly maintain social distancing of at least 1 meter, not to overcrowd in one area or shop, and to cooperate with management made by the district administration, district police and Rangba Shnongs. The Assam government has decided to provide 1,000 rupees each to 2.78 lakh construction workers who had to suffer due to the ongoing lockdown. This was decided in a meeting held in Guwahati last night in presence of Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and other ministers. The meeting also decided to give free rice to around 58 lakh BPL households from the 1st of April. It was further decided that poor households without National Food Security Act and ration cards would get one-time financial help of 1,000 rupees. Over 7,000 people are under quarantine in Tripura with recent travel history outside or with preliminary symptoms, a government statement said. More than 115 people of Tripura are stranded in different parts of the country, and 1,400 labourers of West Bengal are stuck in Tripura since the lockdown was declared. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb has written to his counterparts in Assam, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Delhi, requesting them to arrange for food, accommodation, security and healthcare facilities for the citizens of Tripura who are stranded in those states. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh has said a 200-bed emergency quarantine centre in the state will soon be ready. Mr. Singh inspected the site where the facility is being constructed at Langthabal in Imphal West District. A state government spokesperson said at present there are 14 government quarantine centres with a total capacity of 629 beds where 210 persons were quarantined till Sunday. Imphal East and West districts have 2 such centres, each with a total capacity of 174 beds. Every other district barring Kamjong, Tamenglong and Jiribam has 1 quarantine facility. 2 isolation wards have been set up at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences and the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences for COVID-19 patients. Arunachal Pradesh is fully prepared to deal with the coronavirus outbreak, Health and Family Welfare Minister Alo Libang said yesterday. Personal protective equipment, sanitizers, masks, gloves and infrared thermometers will be airlifted to various parts of the state. The minister inspected the 500-bed Tomo Riba Institute of Health and Medical Sciences TRI-HMS, which has been designated as an exclusive facility to treat COVID-19 patients. TRI-HMS Director Dr. Moji said 50 patients of the hospital are being shifted to the Ramakrishna Mission Hospital and 2 nearby hotels in Itanagar have been converted into isolation wards. The IIT Guwahati yesterday said it is working on developing a drug for treatment of COVID-19 patients and planning to set up a dedicated center for research on the coronavirus. The Premier Institute also said it has developed a polymerase chain reaction PCR machine which can analyze 1,000 samples in 12 hours. 2 such units have already been supplied to the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Multiple efforts are being made for developing vaccine at the Department of Bioscience and Bioengineering. The IIT Guwahati is in the process of setting up an advanced research center for COVID-19 analysis which will help the northeastern region test for the novel coronavirus and detect other such viruses. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice